y'all, welcome back to my channel. I'm super excited to film today. I'm actually refilming this look. I filmed the look yesterday, but I don't really love it, so we're gonna do this over. I can't be throwing out no whack videos. So before I jump into the palette, I'm gonna be priming my eyes with the Maybelline Age Rewind concealer in the shade Sand Sable. It looks like this. So I'm just gonna apply this on top of my eyelid, and as y'all can see, the concealer is really light. I don't buy really light concealers like this for underneath my eyes. I buy them just for priming, just so my colors would stand out more, like my eyeshadow colors. Okay, so for eyeshadow, I'm going to first be jumping into the BH Cosmetic Desert Oasis palette, and I'm going to take the shade Canyon, which is this one right here, and I'm going to use this as my transition shade. So I do really want to do a soft look. I haven't been into like doing those bold, colorful, like heavy cut creases and glitter. Like, oh my gosh, I haven't used glitter in so long. So next I'm going to take the shade Dune, and I'm going to use the same brush and apply this in the crease. So I'm just going to apply this in the crease, and I am using the same brush that I used to apply my transition shade. Okay, so moving on, I don't know what eyeshadow I want to use. I kind of want to do like this color right here all over the lid. I think this will be really pretty. I'm going to jump into the Huda Beauty Topaz Obsessions palette just to take that dark brown shade, because in the BH Cosmetic one, it doesn't have a dark brown shade. So I'm going to take this on my Anastasia Beverly Hills A12 brush. And I'm just going to apply this in the outer corner and just work my way into the crease. So now I'm going to go ahead and cut my crease using the Huda Beauty Overachiever Concealer in the shade Sugar Biscuit. So the brush I'm using is the ABH A4 concealer brush. It's a large concealer brush. Or is it a large eyeshadow brush? I don't really know, but I use it for concealer. Alright you guys, so I'm going to go back in with that dark brown shade from the Huda Beauty palette and blend out the edge of this concealer. Alright, so I decided to use this shimmery shade in the Huda Beauty palette. It's this one right here. And it's really pretty. It's like a rose gold. So I'm just going to apply this all over my lid, and I did spray my brush. Alright you guys, so this is what the eyeshadow is looking like. I'm going to go ahead and apply my wing liner and my lashes, and I'll come right back. Alright you guys, so for skin, of course, I'm going to start off using my Pond's Moisturizer brand new jar. Like... Okay, so for foundation, I re-upped on my Milani Conceal Plus Perfect 2-in-1 foundation in the shade 09 Tan. Y'all, so I'm just going to go ahead and apply this on my face just like this. So I'm going to use the Anastasia Beverly Hills A30 buffing brush to blend all of this out. So this brush is actually really bomb to blend out foundation with. This is my first time using this for foundation. I picked this up because I didn't feel like going to wet my sponge right now. Alright you guys, so for concealer, I am using my Maybelline Master Conceal in the shade Medium. Alright you guys, so I'm going to cream contour, and I'm going to cream contour with the Wet n Wild contour stick in the shade Where's Walnut. So I'm actually going to use the same brush that I used to blend out my foundation with, which is the ABH A30 buffing brush. Now that I have everything blended, I'm going to go ahead and set everything with my black Radiance setting powder in the shade Banana. Alright you guys, so I'm going to go ahead and set this cream contour with my bronzer. This is a BH Cosmetics Brilliance Bronzer in the shade CoCo Cutie.
CoCo Cutie.
So I'm going to go back in the BH Cosmetics Oasis palette, and I'm going to take the same two shades that I applied in the crease, which is this one right here and this one right here. I'm going to run these colors on the lower lash line, and then I'm applying some mascara. So for highlight, I am going to use the Anastasia Beverly Hills and Amrezy highlighter, which is gorgeous. And I'm going to use the ABH A23 highlighting brush to apply it. So for lips, I'm going to line my lips with my NK brown lip liner. And for lipstick, I'm going to go ahead and apply my NYX Liquid Suede Lipstick in the shade Sandstorm, which is my favorite nude lipstick ever. Alright you guys, so this is the completed makeup look. I'm going to go ahead and one curl my hair. So this hair that I have in is Eullair hair. I think that's how you pronounce it. The hair is really soft. I actually slept on this hair. And yeah, I straightened it yesterday just to see if it will get like super like sleek straight, and it did. The shipping was great. This is their Brazilian body wave. I have in two bundles, one 20-inch and one 18-inch. And this right here is their 16-inch hair. I just want you guys to like see it, how it comes. It's their body wave. It's so nice, it's so soft, and yeah, the hair is thick all the way to the end. So that is what I have in my hair now. When I straightened it yesterday, like I said, it got super straight. So now I'm going to be wand curling it. So I'm using my Bella Beauty wand curl, the one that I've been using a lot lately. So I'm just going to start on the bottom first and work my way up, and I'm going to take little sections. Alright you guys, so this is the completed look. So I just wanted like some loose waves. I didn't want any tight curls. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys are interested in Eullair hair, make sure to check down in the description box for more information. And also all the makeup products that I use will also be down in the description box below. So I do hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. I love you guys so much, and I will talk to y'all in my next video. Bye.